Another little video, quick video, couple of minutes long. This is the DJI Mic 2. As you can see, I have the Mic 1. So it's just literally quickly unbox it. So you can see what you actually get inside the box. Nice little case. I presume with everything inside it. Yeah. What we have got here. That's everything out of that bag now. Let's just push that to the other end. So, new design. Well done, DJI. Nice new design. Oh, I quite like them. Oh, shiny surfaces. Not too sure about that though. I quite like the old style, where it's like a matte colour. They are quite similar in size as well, so there's not much difference in them. The point for charging, etc., is slightly moved. Bigger magnets by the looks of it. Yeah, apart from that, there's a few differences on the side. So now your power button's got in fact, power button's on the opposite side. So the power button's on this side, compared to on the left side of the other one, with the USB-C port on the same correct side. Oh. Yeah, good old magnets. The power button for the old version is here, and now it looks like it's got a lovely bright red circle around it. Yeah, not too bad of a design, but I quite prefer the matte. I believe they do it in a white as well. So yeah, so that's the difference. I'll just put that in there. There's a little receiver as well. Oh, that's much smaller compared to the other one. Much thinner. It's obviously longer, but it's thinner. Clearly, you've got to set it up as soon as it's taken out the box. Very similar on the sides. Power button. USB's on the back. USB-C is on the back now, compared to on the side with the power button on the first version. And again, if you want to use the jack, bright orange, whereas before it wasn't, and then obviously you can listen to yourself as well if need be. On the old version, you used to have to take this off, which is a bit of a pain, to then connect it to your phone or to a USB-C. USB-C. So that would come off, and then this one would go in, and then you can connect it straight to the device. With the new one, that stays on by the looks of it. I might be wrong. Yeah, that stays on. It's a solid shoe now. And then you just take this one off, and then you connect. And you need to use a bit more of a push to get that off as well. Whereas on the other one, you used to just press it in and it used to just come straight off. So it was always a little bit more difficult. So that's the new new version. I do like this part as well. It doesn't open, whereas the old one used to just open whilst it was in your bag, so the microphones would fall out. So I quite like this one. You've got to actually physically release it. Nice touch, well done DJI. It syncs straight away, which is good. Needs a charge. USB-C on the back. But yeah. USB to USB-C. I'm pretty sure USB-C to USB-C will be fine there. And then your little mufflers, dead cats, whatever you want to call it. And by all accounts, they've changed them. So whereas the old ones used to just fall off, oh, nice and fluffy. Whereas the old ones used to just fall off. Now these ones, they just press in and that's it. I don't think the wind's going to blow them off. Whereas the other ones, it was a bit fiddly to get on, but also they used to fall off as well in high wind. Or at least I found that they did on the beach. So there'll be many a time I'll be filming, and next thing I know is the dead cat's gone and the sound was horrendous. But yeah, so difference in size. The old one is obviously a lot smaller, same height, but probably about a centimetre and a half shorter. Same width, I think. Yeah, it looks like the same width. So there you go. And these, I've been told, rightfully told, as my previous video shows, that they connect directly to the Action 4. So I'm quite looking forward to testing them out. Obviously, I use GoPros. I know that the Apple AirBuds, they now sync with the new GoPro. So fingers crossed, this microphone is going to work perfectly well with the Osmo Action 4, and I won't have as much editing to do to make sure that it's all synced in properly. As I say, quick video. It's just purely because my back's a bit knackered still, and I just wanted to chuck a couple of videos out just to show that there is still content coming in. Thanks for watching the video. It's a short video. Yeah, what can I say? My back's knackered. I can't get out metal detecting, so I just thought I'd just show what comes in in the bag for the DJI Mic 2. So yeah, so thumb up, thumb down, and subscribe. That'd be great. Thank you very much. Much appreciated, and see you at the next one, hopefully on a beach or on land. Thank you. Bye.